Hi there, welcome. Today I want to talk about one of those essential oils that once you start using it, you wonder how you ever lived without it. We're talking about Purify, doTERRA's cleansing blend today. Purify is one of those oils that earns its keep in a busy home, especially if you have kids, pets, or let's be honest, teenagers. Purify is a blend of lemon, Siberian fir, citronella, lime, tea tree, and cilantro. And every one of these oils plays a role in helping cleanse, deodorize, and freshen your home and your body the all-natural way. One of the things I love most about Purify is how effective it is at helping kill germs and microbes, while still being gentle enough to use on your skin. You can apply it directly to areas where you need support, and it's amazing for bug bites and stings. If you get bit, just apply Purify right on the affected area. It soothes and helps calm irritation quickly. You can also use Purify as a natural insect repellent. You can diffuse it, apply it directly to your skin, or even put it on your clothing. What's great about this is you're not spraying toxic chemicals on your body. Everything in Purify is plant-based and supports your body rather than working against it, unlike many bug sprays available out there. A lot of people are surprised to learn that Purify can also be used for things like allergies, acne, and even as a natural deodorant. So let me tell you my favorite way to use Purify. I love using it to purify the air. Have you ever left leftovers in the trash overnight and then you walked into the kitchen the next morning and thought, what is that smell? Yep, I've been there. So when that happens, Purify comes to the rescue. I'll just take out the trash and then put a few drops of Purify on a paper towel, and then I place that in the bottom of the garbage can. And then I'll diffuse Purify in the air. And within 20 minutes, the whole space smells fresh and clean again. It's just kind of like hitting that reset button for that room. And another place Purify gets a lot of use in my house is shoes. Why do teenage socks and shoes smell so bad? I don't know, but Purify handles it for me. I keep a spray bottle on hand, and it's just a glass spray bottle filled mostly with water, and then I add 25 drops of Purify, and I shake it up and I spray it right in their shoes. Problem solved. You can also add 8 drops of Purify to your laundry to help take care of that stinky sock problem. And here's another trick that I use sometimes. I love to put just a few drops of Purify on a cotton ball, and then I place it right in each shoe overnight. And what a difference that can make. Purify is also great for cleaning. I make my own natural glass cleaner by filling a spray bottle with water, and then I add about 25 drops of Purify and a couple tablespoons of white vinegar. It's streak-free, works beautifully, and leaves my bathroom smelling clean and fresh without using harsh chemicals. Purify is a great little helper. It helps cleanse the air, supports the skin, keeps bugs away, tackles odors, and helps you create a healthier home environment that smells fresh and clean. If you like more ideas like this, I have a free guide with 100 uses for essential oils that you can grab. Check for that in the link below. And if you have a favorite way you use Purify, I'd love to hear it. Drop it in the comments so we can all learn from each other. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video.